And he's back.
Go for
Do you feel better now?
Yeah.
Alright, have a seat.
Okay.
What is that?
I see a Marvel superheroes.
Marvel superheroes.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
Show Mama.
Look.
Awesome sauce.
That's so cool, huh?
Awesome sauce.
What do we got here?
Incredible Hulk.
Who's that? Wolverine.
Captain America.
Yep. Who's that?
Iron Man.
What's his name? His name's Thor.
Thor.
Sweet.
Everybody's on the present. Let's take a look at this present.
Oh, I think that's a pretty good idea.
And it's Christmas. And it's Christmas. And it's Christmas. And then wake up in the night.
Are you making up a song? You're a dork. Oh. Way to cover your mouth there.
Yeah, good job covering your mouth.
I really like that.
What is that? What is that? It looks like it's a... What is that?
It's Skyler Swamp Force.
Oh, yeah? Is that something that... I don't know what's the...
It's a bag. It holds Skylanders.
That's interesting.
Santa must have a plan.
Yeah.
I think him and Grandma might be in cahoots.
And that. I'm doing with this one.
Which one?
Yeah.
Oh, snap.
It's a big one.
That is a big one.
What there will be? Barney! There's Barney. We got Barney back. Remember at Toys R Us, there's Barney. And there's something else, water cracks. And then you tell me it's sauce.
Yeah?
Yes.
What is it?
The Barney Schoolhouse.
The Barney Schoolhouse?
Yeah. There's Barney.
What?
Barney, PJ, Wib, and PJ.
Baby Bop.
Baby Bob. That's cool.
And then they are wonderful on my box. And we got this.
Oh.
Also open this one.
Okay. Have a seat and open it, sir.
Good job.
I thought there will be a toy.
Maybe. Thank you.
And there will be. Animals and Caillou. Look,
What's that?
Caillou Safari.
Oh, yeah? Caillou Safari?
Yeah, there's a giraffe, a young, an ostrich, and
Show
an
Mom.
elephant.
Wow.
Whoa.
That's cool, bud.
Yeah, but there's no zebra and no flamingo and no
It's okay,
tiger.
but you got plenty of those.
Yeah, I do.
You have to make believe.
No, I am not going to make believe.
You gotta pretend.
Wow, there's a Christmas tree for Santa.
You excited about the sticker?
Yeah. You will wrap it.
Yeah, somebody really,
Santa-
really wrapped it.
Santa did a good job. Actually,
His
it was a little
elves.
Yeah.
Yeah, we wrapped it.
Here, let me help.
His elves wrapped it.
Oh.
Ooh. What's in there?
Is that another? What is that? Is that another Leapfrog book?
It's the baby animal.
Oh, yeah.
The and I did that one.
Going for the big one. What's in there?
Oh man, I think this all ties in all those books together. What is that? The Leap Reader. Show Mom. Wow, cool. Now you read books with your Leap Reader. Learn to read.
Now you don't have to ask me to read you books all day. You can read books all by yourself.
Oh. Oh, okay. And let's do with this one. Other one.
Do it, man.
Okay. Uh-oh. It falls off.
It happens. No worries.
What's the whoopee?
I don't know.
And then
What?
it's a whoopee, Mommy. I also tamed a dragon for Christmas.
Yeah. I think it's a bat toy.
It's a back door.
However, did you know that?
I don't know. Sam told me.
Look. You see where our fireballs and tub and then a dragon face on it.
Show Mom.
So cool.
Alright, one more gift from Santa. And then we gotta wait to open all these other ones.
Oh,
But that's okay.
oops.
Oh, but you still have your stocking you could open. Because Santa did leave all that stuff for you.
Caillou. Look at Caillou.
It's a big book.
Yeah, it's Caillou.
Is that what you think about that?
Yeah. I'm going to open
Hey, wait.
Ah.
No, not those.
Here, buddy.
Not those. Those are from Grandma. We gotta wait, and we gotta call Grandma.
Grandma wants to watch you open them. Here. What's in there? Take it. Take the whole thing. Sit down.
because number for me.
They are for you.
Did you just fart?
Yeah, I've got to open more presents.
There's some stuff in there.
Open that up.
Open that up.
No. Open this up. Oh,
See what's in the
Dump
stocking.
it out.
No, I can't.
Dump it out.
I got to open those toys now.
Here, wait. Look at these toys. What is all this? What? You got your own earbuds. Ninja Turtle earbuds. M&M's. Oh, I don't know. Candy.
Skittles.
Oh yeah. What's that?
Mickey Mouse.
Yeah. You like the Pez dispensers. Alright.
Yay!
That's a mountain.